Hello, in this training, we're going to discuss how to access your owner portal area. So here we're at the Builderall login page, so you'll enter your login information. This will take you to your website back office. Again, you will click on Pixel Perfect Builder. You'll click anywhere in the blue area. You'll click on the Enter button. This will open up your website dashboard. And as was mentioned before, if you click here, this will take you to the live website on the internet. To make any changes, you need to click on Edit. So we'll click here. This will open up your website. Once your website is open, again, you want to make sure that you're careful not to move any of the items in your website, because once you save, it will appear on the published website. Okay, so now that your website is open, the area that you want to focus on to review your owner's portal is going to be this section here. It's like two gears. You click on there. Then you're going to go here to where it says User Management. When you click here, this will show you everyone that has set up or registered for the owner's portal. It will have their email address, and it'll have the date and the time that they signed up. You have the ability to delete people or add people. So let's say you wanted to delete, we'll use this testing one. Let's say you want to delete this person. There's two ways you can do it. You can put a check in the box, and then you can click on the trash can to remove it, or you can go here and click on the trash can here. If you wanted to make any changes, or if you wanted to authorize this person manually to be able to access the portal, you would click here on the little pencil. And right now this person has access to be able to enter the portal because this is green. If you were removing access and you clicked it, it would turn it red, and that person would no longer be able to access the website with the username and password that they've selected. But if you want to continue having them access the website, you can click it. It'll turn green and it says without limited access. Once you've done that, okay, so we're back in the user management section, and once you have accessed the to give the person permission, the other thing that you can do with this calendar is if you wanted them to have access for a certain period of time, and then that time would expire and they would no longer have access, you would click on the little calendar here, and then you would set how long that person will be allowed to have access. And once you select that date, let's say you wanted that person to only have access until Wednesday, you would choose Wednesday's date, and then when you hit save, it will still remain green, but on the 11th it will turn to red and they would not be allowed access anymore. So that's how you would control who can access the website and who cannot. And you can periodically check this so that if there's someone here with access that you didn't approve or you don't want them to have access, you can always turn off their access or else delete their registration. And that's all for this section. I'll see you on the next video.